Clear?
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, rookie, you out there? Respond, that's an order.
Give it up, Gunny. Even if he ain't dead, he's lost in that soup. Our comms can't cut through that.
Oh, give up, huh? What if it were you down there?
Just saying. I ain't dead.
You're a piece of work, Romeo.
Welcome aboard, ladies. First stop, anywhere but here.
Banshees, on your 6! Interject!
We're losing her! Watch out!
Ah! Mickey, Dutch! Status! Alive or dead, we're pulling them out. You hear me? Make some noise. I got your back. Back inside. Let's find that Pelican.
What about all those Covenant we sidestepped on the way up?
Now we get to kill them. Wait, is this empty?
Changing mags. Thanks for picking such a tall building. I'm really digging all these stairs.
Do you ever get tired of bitching, Romeo?
You ever get tired of busting my balls?
Point taken. They haven't seen us. Pick a target, take it out. That did it! Shoot and scoot!
I'll draw that turret's fire, you kill the operator! Romeo, random landing on the pad!
Get the damn turret!
Oh, that feels so good!
Come on, Romeo! Push through these doors!
Reloading!
Oh yeah, I heard it. Great shot! You're lovely at hiding. How do you do it dying? Jackals with carbines up top. Watch yourself. Nice throw.
Target's present! Suck his butt!
Come on, Romeo, we gotta kill those jackals!
Headshot! Reloading!
He's trying to take cover. Be ready. There's more. Oh, just
We're down, Gunny, on a rooftop northeast of your location. Stay put, Dutch. We'll come to you.
Grab some ammo, Romeo. These boys won't need it. Whatever you're thinking, Romeo, keep it to yourself.
Whatever you say, boss.
Much obliged. Sniper, up high. More of them! Romeo, get to work! Sniper!
Yeah!
Jetpack brutes! Don't let them get behind us!
Target down!
Commanders back on board!
He's history!
Nice work.
Keep pressing. We gotta get to that crash site.
Anyone still see movement?
Suck it! All right!
I'm on my way.
Swapping mags.
Boom! Sniper's down. That's definitely gunfire.
You bag of puss!
Reinforcements!
Gunny, we moved one of those construction crates, made a bridge to our location.
Affirmative. We're almost there.
Government reloading. Yeah.
Sniper is out of commission.
Reloading. All right!
You are one efficient, murdering son of a bitch.
Banshees!
Let's get the hell off this thing.
What's our situation?
Bird's wasted. Lost the pilot on impact. Rest of us are okay.
Not for long. Phantom's inbound.
Why am I not surprised?
Pick a turret, Romeo. Conserve your ammo. This is gonna get hot.
Phantom coming in left.
Phantom!
Swapping back.
Funny when it happens to me.
Watch the back flashes. Change your mag.
Hostiles lower level. Clear them out.
Sit down. Suck today on target. Hoorah!
Get this thing off of me.
How bad?
Not good.
We're gonna get you out of here.
Not by air, we're not. That's all right. I know another way.